Hello everyone! Today's I Do You Do lesson. We will be working with using the graphical representation of numerical data to describe the center, spread, and the shape of the data distribution. Let's start by reading the I Do problem. Mrs. Gomez administered a test to her class and transferred the scores onto the dot plot below. Based off of the dot plot, which statement about the class scores are true? On the right side of the screen, you will see the cube strategies that we will be using today. We will start with circle or underline keywords, but if you prefer, you can always highlight. Statement about the class scores are true. Peak of the data. Distribution is symmetrical. Center of the data. Data is clustered. Then we box our question. Which statement about the class scores are true? Next, we elaborate. Peak of the data is at 80. Peak, highest data. Distribution is symmetrical, even on both sides. Center of the data are median. The data is clustered, has the most data in the dot plot. Our final step is to solve the problem. So we start with the first one. The peak of the data is 80. So our peak is 80, but let's just continue just to be sure. The data distribution is symmetrical. So from the highest data, which is your peak, your data curves to the left. So B, it is not symmetrical. The center of the data is 50. We have 29 scores. Half of 29 would be between 14 or 15 around this section. So the center is not 50. The data is clustered from 10 to 20. This section does not have the most data. So our correct answer choice was A. The peak of the data is 80. We are now done solving the I Do problem. At this time, you can move on to the You Do problem and use the cube strategies to solve.